So this is how far we came along with the project. See your fender flares, easy peasy. Got the radio, technically halfway installed, and whoop, got the quarter panel, somewhat almost there. But it's hard when you just have a fucking hand. Recommend getting a sander. And working on the backup camera now, and working on this side quarter panel because they always rush. And if we go back here, so fender, the old fender used to look like. This is what the other old fender used to look like. And get some wheels, some coilovers, and obviously some paddle rollers. Almost there. Almost there. And obviously, once we get everything done, we're gonna plastic dip it, probably. But it has a clutch now, it runs. Almost there.